Welcome to paradise. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, your premier luxury brokerage here in the beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are in Hernandez and we are at a boutique hotel called Voiles Blanches. It's covered with these gorgeous tropical plants, has an amazing pool, and I cannot wait to show you the villas that come with it. Please check out this beautiful property tour with me today. There are 4 villas just like this. Each one is uniquely designed. It definitely is an oasis for relaxation. You've got this beautiful decor, an ensuite bathroom with an outdoor shower, and you've got a large terrace area that overlooks the pool. Follow me to the 2-bedroom through the jungle. Come on. This hotel has been so well taken care of. There definitely has been a labor of love. Everything is meticulously and perfect. I love this tropical decor. Here in the 2-bedroom, we have a king bed and we have a twin bed. And you have your own patio outdoor covered with fronds and beautiful tropical flowers just to enjoy this oasis. This pool is so refreshing and it's totally isolated and private. It goes with the 2-bedroom house. Cozy and quaint is this A-frame. Here you've got a king bed with an ensuite bathroom. Your guests are going to love it here. The gardens here are absolutely spectacular. You see butterflies, hummingbirds, parrots, and even get monkeys in the trees. There's a beautiful restaurant here on site that seats 30 people and has a professional kitchen. They're currently serving breakfast, but you can use this also to serve lunch, dinner, or appetizers and drinks in the evening as well. There's such a sense of peace and relaxation at this hotel, looking at these palm trees, listening to the waterfall, watching all the butterflies. I love it. This room is called Escondido, which means hidden. It also has a king bed, an ensuite bathroom with an outdoor shower, and a private terrace with the jungle all around it. I love this spa. Can you imagine coming here, soaking up the sun with the beautiful tropical setting? I'm coming here for a massage or a manicure or pedicure at the end of the day. Delightful. Just behind the hotel on the same property, you'll find this cute 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. This is where the owners are currently living. It has its own patio, its own pool, and it's completely fenced in for privacy. It also has a back entrance, so if they don't want to talk to the guests, they can just come in and out as they please. Private entrance to the house. Look at these incredible trees. This is a Guanacaste tree, palm trees, and look at this one. I think it's a teak tree. Now we're going to check out the other side of the property. There are 3 homes, a yoga shala, and each home has its own pool. Let's go check it out. We're about to see Pacifico, and there's also Oasis. These are 2 own cabinas that have 1 bedroom and a full kitchen. On the Estrella side of the property, it's 1.25 acres. There's plenty of space to add more villas or a large home. Welcome to Villa Estrella. It's the biggest villa. Here you have 2 full bedrooms with king beds that have their own patio doors, and you've got a large living space. You could even make this one of your permanent residences if you decide to live here. If you're watching this video and thinking, could I live this life? Could I own a hotel in paradise? Absolutely you can. This property is perfect. You can run a business and you have plenty of places to choose to make your permanent home. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about this hotel and about the great property next door, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to speak with you. Have a great day. Pura vida.